Hello guys, this is how to search on GitHub. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser. I'm using Safari right now. You could use Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever browser you like using. And then in the search bar, just type in github.com, then hit enter. And I'm already signed in, but if you're not signed in or if you don't have an account, you can create one. However, this is possible. You can search for projects on GitHub without having an account, like from their homepage. That's totally fine. I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, for now, you're gonna find a search bar right there. So you can just tap into the search bar, and let's say I want to search for a text extractor, for example. So I'll just type text extraction, if I could spell extraction right, then hit enter. And now I have all these projects that I can look through, and I have these filters on the left sidebar. So if I want to look for repositories, issues, code, and I can also choose the language. So it could be Python, Java, JavaScript, C Sharp. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward process. Now let's try that out with signing out from the account. Let's see if that works. Sign out. Yep. Okay. Now we're at the homepage of GitHub, and you can just search here. So text extract. Whoa there, you have exceeded a secondary rate limit. Please wait. Okay, I guess there is a problem with me just searching too much. But however, it would work. It would work still on like on GitHub without signing into your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.